Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as usual, it's Sunday today, so we came to explore a new place. So this is called PISMO Beach. So it's near Bakersfield, California. So today I came here along with my friends, and we are almost 8 people here. So we are going to have some fun here. And first of all, let's go and get our ATV bikes here. So our friends are waiting in the queue. Let's go and get the bikes first. Now we are going to have the bike rides, ATV rides in the sand here. So this is our batch, Ganga and Chandini. So they are couple here. This is Saket and Pravalika. Prasad and Sindhu. Oi, turn here.
That is Akshara's bag. That is Akshara's red jacket.
Okay, Akshara, turn here. So what's going on now?
We sent the forms and waiting for our rental equipment.
Okay, we are excited to get the ATV. Let me know once the bike is ready. Prasad signing his property for ATV rides.
Small. Can we try this one? I'm sorry? We don't. Medium. Again, back here.
Sindhu, take medium.
Okay, you gotta remember that your jaw is much smaller than the crown of your head. They're not meant to be loose, they're meant to be snug. Ma'am, right here, try that one. Fits perfectly. Yep, that one fits. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be. If you fall, your helmet goes one way, your neck goes the other. It's got to be snug. Okay, who else, sir? Try that one. Who else in your group needs a helmet?
One more here.
Try this one, sir. Take your glasses off first. And you still need one, right?
Hey, I need big one, man.
You're on ATVs. You don't need them. They fog up on the ATVs. We do those for buggies.
Okay.
So again, on the other
Okay,
side of
very
the
good.
shore, doing sign 50 feet down into the
We
sand,
can wear
one
our
with the
cooling
buggy, one
glasses.
buggy back.
Hey, Chandini. Ganga, put on your helmet. Is it okay, right? Yeah, okay. So we paid for everything there, and now we got our helmets. So after this we need to board that bus. So maybe they will take us in bus to those ATV vehicles. So one ticket you will get ATV ride plus bus ride, both, right? Newly married couple, 1 month old. Prasad, by the way, how much we paid for this?
So we actually took 350cc ATV. So it costed us like $145. And moreover, if there is any damage, they wanted to collect some money, right? So they kept some advance as well, around $200 per ATV.
Okay.
So total it costed me like $1,200 for 8 of us, and then $1,600 for advance.
Oh man, it's too expensive.
Yeah, it's a little expensive, but the fun will be worth it.
Okay. Anyhow, you paid everything, right? So it will be fun to us. It will be fun to all of us and pain to you. So anyhow, children can sit in the laps. Don't worry. Huh? Yeah, might be those are the vehicles. Akshara Kosireddy, how are you? Are you feeling well? No? Okay. Prasad, come on.
We have to wait over here.
Okay, we will wait here.
Vehicles for us. Usually at Dandapalli batch, they are actually getting.
So they want more vehicles for our Dandupalyam batch.
So they are getting them on trolley.
Okay.
So we'll have to wait for like 10 minutes. That's what
Okay.
he said, but we'll have to wait for half an hour, I guess.
Oh. Right. Okay, another couple here. Yellow couple. One more couple here. So I came with 3 couples and this girl is missing her partner. No, I am stag. Always single. You are missing Rohit? కమయ్య సంజపు తల్లి వీడియో చూస్తాడు. సింధు, I remember yellow dirty fellow. This way is good.
By your left knee, there's a shift lever up in the fender. There are 5 positions. The very top position is low gear. We're not using it. The next one down is high gear, H. That's where you want to drive, that's forward. Then you got a neutral, you've got a reverse, R, and a park down at the bottom.
Ganga, is this your first time?
Yeah, it was my first time. So excited.
So excited? Chandini? Hey Prasad, what is this waiting yaar?
Sometimes things are not in our control. So we have to be in control.
Dandupalyam batch, right? Sindhu? Akshara auntie, missing Rohit uncle. Young and dynamic couple. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Okay, there is a drone here, a GoPro here. Just follow it. we are back now.
You're gonna take the helmets back up to the shop.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second. No one rolled over or got hurt, right?
No.
Yeah, everyone is safe.
Good.
Anaya helmet
Yeah. So all the helmets you got from us, just take back up to the shop. Shuttle will pick you up on the other side of that truck right there. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good one, yo.
Thank you. So we are back here, guys. So we gave all our ATV vehicles back to them, and now here we need to hand over our helmets again. It was an amazing ride. So initially we felt little bit problem with those vehicles, but man, after half an hour no one can beat us. We were racing actually. So we are returning our helmets back here.
Right on. You guys don't do any of those yelps, do you? If you do yelp, yelp somebody. No problem if you want. If you don't, that's okay too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You didn't
Have
run
a
over any of the
wonderful
snowy
weekend, you
clovers, did
guys.
You too.
you? Happy holidays, guys.
Happy holidays. బా ఎంత డిసిప్లిన్డ్గా కూర్చున్నారు. ఆ?